Hey, mate. How's it going? The iPhone X is the phone we've been willing Apple to make, partly so that we've got something new to write about, but also so those who look forward to the arrival of a new iPhone actually have something to get excited about. New Phone Day is one of the highlights in many people's years, and the iPhone X is worthy of the excitement. We think the iPhone X is overpowered and overwhelming in a good way. Here's why. OLED display. The 5.8-inch OLED display is, quite simply, the best thing Apple has ever crammed into an iPhone, or it was, until the iPhone XS arrived. It's leaps ahead of the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus for so many reasons: the sharpness, the quality, the fact that it fills the whole front of the phone, and the color reproduction. Unlock using your face. Face ID, Apple's facial recognition system that replaces the fingerprint scanning Touch ID, is simple to set up, with the iPhone X encouraging you to put your face into view at the start, spin your head around a couple of times and you're ready to go. Best-in-class camera. Before we get too far into the performance of the rear camera, let's talk about the front-facing TrueDepth camera, which is a 7MP affair but with some smart capabilities to make the iPhone one of the best selfie-taking cameras on the market. The camera, as the name suggests, can sense depth incredibly well, so the new portrait mode, debuted on the iPhone 8 Plus, can be used with the front-facing camera to take excellent selfies. New OS to rule them all. While the iPhone X launched with iOS 11, it's now been updated to iOS 12, or iOS 12.1.4 to be precise. This added things like group notifications, personalized Memoji, additional Animoji and emoji, Siri shortcuts, group FaceTime, screen time reports and a whole lot more. Are you also a proud owner of an iPhone X? Do you agree with the list? Let us know. For your iPhone X screen replacement needs, go to Sydney CBD Repair. Till next time. Cheers.